Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see about Python sets. So we are going to learn another useful Python data structure concept, which is called sets. If you are a beginner, don't worry, we will understand sets using simple examples and practical use cases. So by the end, you will learn what is a set, why sets are useful, what makes sets different from lists and tuples, important set methods, common set operations in Python. So what is a set? A set is a collection of unique items stored in a single variable. So in the previous session, we have discussed about the tuples. We have discussed about list. Those are collection types only. So data structures. Those are going to be used for storing that multiple values in a single variable. The same way here, sets also going to be used to store multiple values in a single variable. But one difference, the sets is going to have that one unique values. Okay, so unique values. For example, apple, banana, mango. So numbers 10, 20, 30. Unique values. So sets are written inside the curly brackets. A set does not allow duplicate values. Sets are useful when we want only distinct values. Whenever you want to store that distinct values, at that time we can use that sets concept. Right, the real example actually, so if you are going to take that attendance list for your students in a class, if one student name is entered twice, we still want to name only once. We should not keep that any duplicate name list. Same name actually, so we can have it, but usually we will have that one ID, right? So it should be a unique values. So a collection of unique IDs, ID cards. ID cards should not be duplicate ID cards, right? So here in a Python, a set works the same way, it's automatically avoid duplicates. Why do we need sets? Sometimes we only care about unique values, unique cities visited by the customer, unique products purchased in a day, unique letters in a word. A set removes repeated values automatically. Very useful in data cleaning and comparison. Let's get into that our Visual Studio Code. See here, just I will open that. Already I have created that one Jupyter file. So here, just I'm going to have this one fruits. Fruits. Sets, we have to keep it, the sets values, we have to keep it inside of the curly braces. See here, apple, comma, banana, comma, grapes. Yeah, these three values. If I'm writing this fruits, yes, we cannot see any difference. But see here, I'm going to have this one more banana, right? Execute. Now, execute that fruits. See, I'm getting that unique values only. Actually, in the source, I have written two bananas, but it's not allowing to keep the duplicate values. That's the reason I'm getting that output only unique values. Automatically, it will remove that values. So sets is one of the collection type which we can use it to store that unique values, right? See, even that single letter actually. So see here, single word, same one. I'm going to take this one. So banana, write it. Sets of, it's a string value, right? Sets of word, write it. See here, all duplicates got removed. See here, I'm having only one A, B, A. So actually, the actual word, three A's are there, right? But it's got removed. Sets. I'm converting into sets type. So it's removed automatically. It's removed, right? So yes, if you are going to create the set, so you have to use that curly brackets. Within the curly brackets, you can use that set values, right? See the same one, actually the same one. See, already we have seen this one. So if you are going to have this one, so red, green, comma, So blue, like this you have to create this one. Okay. So it should be a unique values. So same one. So, and see here, here we are having this one, the list value. List actually, I'm going to have this one list L equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, right? I'm going to convert this list into set. Yeah, I'm getting, what is this? One more 10, one more 20, run it. So here, the double comma, yeah, run it. And converting into set, see here. So 10, what is this? Set of L. So 10, 20, 20, 20. Why it is coming like this one? Yeah, so it's a single one. So here I need to convert. If I want to convert like a set type, I need to use that set function. Set function. So here actually in this example, I am using that hardcode values. That's the reason I use the square bracket. But here I can use only this one. Yeah, run it now. See here. 10, 20, 30, 40. All duplicates got removed. All duplicates got removed. Right? So here, so set we can use it for storing the duplicate unique values. So automatically the duplicate values will be removed. Right? So it will allow to store only unique values. Okay, even if you are passing the duplicate values, it will not allow us to store it inside of this set variable. Automatically it will remove it. So unique data. Sets are unordered. Okay, sets are unordered. So here, what is this one? A set does not keep items in a fixed order, so we should not expect elements to appear in the same sequence every time. Because our sets do not support indexing like list or tuples. Set focus on membership and uniqueness, not position. It's focusing only the membership. Okay, so here color, run it. Actually, so this is a value I am passing here. I am passing a red in the first value, right? But return something different. Okay, so we cannot expect in which order it is going to return the value. Why? Because it is not going to support any index. Color of 0. Set object is not subscribable. So index is not allowing. Index is not allowing. Okay. So index will not allow it. Right? Fine. Adding items to a set. If you want to add the item. So the colors. Color dot. So add. Color dot add. So yellow. So color. Execute. So blue, green, red, yellow. So if you want to add, you can use that add function. You can use that add function. Add function for adding that values into that your set collection. Suppose if you want to add multiple values. See here, same. Color dot add of. Okay. So white, comma, right? White, comma. So purple. See here, it is throwing error because add function will allow to add only single values. Add function will allow to add only single value, single element. Suppose if you want to add that multiple values into the set, then you have to use that update. See here, update, update. So here, so update, why this much? Okay, oh, okay. So I'm going to give it like a list. I'm going to give it like a list. So this is one actually I have written like a so normal value. So everything actually it's added like a single values. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove everything. I'm going to remove everything. So for that one, what I can use it, I can use that clear function, color, so nothing is there. So this is the one where that our color here, yeah, this is the one. Run it. Now again I'm going to run this one. I'll get that 3 values. Yes, I got that values. Now here color dot update of 1 second. So both values I'm using inside of that list. Okay, execute. See here that white it's added, purple added. If you are going to add that multiple values into this set now, you can use that update, but that multiple values you have to keep it like a list. Okay, so we can add the values like this. Removing, yes, the clear is one of the function for clearing everything. Clear. Okay, so here, sorry, color dot remove. Which color? Red color I'm going to remove. Red color I'm going to remove. It should be removed now. We'll confirm it. See here, yes, red got removed. And same color dot remove. Same red I'm using again. See here, I'm getting error. Remove function, you can use it for removing any item from your set. But if that values are not available inside of that your set, then it will throw the error. It will throw the error. Okay. Actually, I want to remove that values if it is available. At the same time, the value is not available. It should not throw any error. Then what I can use it? See here, color dot discard. Color dot discard. See, the discard I'm going to use it. This is also going to be remove the values. See here, let's remove that yellow. Yellow, I think I did not add it, right? I did not add it. Yellow actually is not available. Even if it is not available, it is not throwing any error. Right? If it is available, it will remove. Otherwise, it will not throw an error. It's successfully, it will be completed. Right? See here, green. I'm going to use it. It should be removed. Green. Actually, green is already available. So here, run it. Now green is not in that our set. Right? So discard is the function. You can use it for deleting that values. The discard, it will delete the value if it is available. Otherwise, it will complete that your execution successfully without throwing any error. Same way you can use color. Already we have seen that one function, it's called pop. See here, pop, it is going to delete that values and it is going to return that values. So what the value is deleted, that value it will return. So removing items from a set, for removing purpose we can use that remove, discard or pop. Remove, it will remove that values if it is available. If it is not available, it will throw the error. Discard, it will remove that values. So if it is available, if that value is not available, it will complete that execution successfully without throwing any error. Pop, actually it is going to remove that values from the last and it is going to return that values which is deleted. Right? Checking membership in a set, checking membership same. See here, what is the value for fruits we are having? Yeah, okay. So I'm going to check that one, whether apple is available. Apple in keyword, I'm going to use the in keyword fruits. This is our set variable. Yes, if it is available, it is going to return the true. Otherwise, it is going to return false. So orange in fruits. See this one, false. Okay, so you can check that membership in a set using the in value in keyword. In keyword sets are very useful for membership testing. This checks whether a value exists in the set. Membership testing with a set is very fast. That's why sets are useful in searching and filtering tasks. Okay, and union operation. What is the union operation? The union operation. See, I'm going to have these values. A set 1, 2, 3. B 3, 4, 5. Run it. Now A dot union. A dot union of B. A dot union of B, combining both the variable values. Union, combining. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Usually the sets will not allow to store the duplicate values. That's the reason. So the second time the 3 got removed. Unique values only we are getting. Union, we can use it. Union combines all unique elements from two sets. The duplicate values 3 appears only once. Union is useful when combining distinct data. Intersection. Intersection gives common elements between two sets. So A dot intersection of B. See that one? Common element. What is the common element between these two? 3 is the common element. Intersection, you can use it to get that common value from that two sets. Two sets. And difference and symmetric difference. Difference and symmetric difference. What is that one? See here. A dot difference of B. A dot difference of B. Okay. 1, 2. See, what is this one? Actually, 1, 2 is available here. Right? So difference actually, it gives item present in one set but not in another. Difference gives item present in one set but not in other. Actually, A dot difference, then what it is available only in the A 1 and 2. That's a difference. Okay, A dot symmetric difference of B. Difference of both. See here, gives items present in either set but not both. Either here 1 and 2 it's available only in that A. 3 and 4 and 5 it's available only in that B. 3 actually it's available both. So if it is available in the both, it will not display here. So gives items present in either set. Here or there. But if it is in both, no, it will not display. So these operations help us compare data clearly. So difference, symmetric difference. So students club, so students, yes, the students actually, so union, if you are using that union, for example, science club and sports club. If you want to combine both students, so those all are students only. If you want to combine both, then you have to use that union. You have to use that union. Intersection it is going to give that one. So common between the first group and second group, right? Difference only in that one club. Only in that one club. Sets are useful in records, tags, categories, and unique collections. Right? So summary, a set stores unique values in one variable. Sets automatically remove duplicates. Sets are unordered, so they do not support indexing. Methods like add, update, remove, and discard are important. Operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference are very useful. So sets are powerful when working with the unique data and comparison. Thank you. So we will see it in that another session with a new topic. Thank you.